Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you wanted to secure your device with the password, PIN, or pattern, but you forgot it eventually. And what you have to do to reset this password, you just have to turn your phone off. Next, after it turns off, you have to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds. When you see the nuovo logo, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. This menu will appear. You have to use volume keys to navigate to the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, and then select it with power key. And then you have to confirm it by selecting yes here. After you see the message that wipe complete, you have to select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.